Our solar system is a vast and fascinating place. It's a cosmic arena filled with wonders that stretch our imagination and challenge our understanding. From the smallest particles to the largest planets, every component plays a crucial role in the grand tapestry of space. It's filled with planets, moons, and stars. Each of these celestial bodies has its own unique characteristics and stories to tell. The planets, for instance, range from the rocky terrains of Mercury to the gas giants like Jupiter and Saturn. We live on a planet called Earth, which is part of this amazing solar system. Earth is the third planet from the Sun and the only known place in the universe that harbors life. Our planet is a perfect blend of land, water, and atmosphere, making it a unique oasis in the vastness of space. Imagine our solar system like a giant neighborhood in space. Each planet is like a house, with its own unique features and characteristics. The Sun, our star, is the central hub, providing the energy and gravity that keeps everything in place. At the center of this neighborhood is a star, our very own Sun. The Sun is a massive ball of burning gas, primarily hydrogen and helium, and it provides the light and heat necessary for life on Earth. Without the Sun, our solar system would be a dark and frozen place. Around the Sun, 8 planets are constantly moving in a kind of cosmic dance. This dance is governed by the laws of gravity, which keep the planets in their orbits and prevent them from drifting off into space. Each planet follows its own path, called an orbit, around the Sun. These orbits are not perfect circles but are slightly elliptical, meaning they are oval-shaped. This elliptical path ensures that the distance between the planets and the Sun changes slightly as they move along their orbits. Some planets are closer to the Sun, while others are much farther away. For example, Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun, and experiences extreme temperatures, while Neptune, the farthest planet, is a cold and distant world. We're going to take a journey through our solar system and learn about each of these fascinating planets. From the scorching surface of Venus to the icy rings of Saturn, each planet has its own story and mysteries waiting to be discovered. So, buckle up and get ready for an incredible adventure through our cosmic neighborhood. The Sun is a star, a giant ball of hot gas that emits light and heat. It is primarily composed of hydrogen and helium, undergoing nuclear fusion at its core. This process releases an immense amount of energy, which radiates outwards and reaches us as sunlight. It's like a powerful furnace that gives us warmth and energy. The energy from the Sun drives weather patterns, ocean currents, and even the water cycle. Without this energy, our planet would be a frozen, lifeless rock. Without the Sun, life on Earth wouldn't be possible. The Sun's energy is crucial for maintaining the temperatures that allow liquid water to exist on our planet, which is essential for all known forms of life. Plants need sunlight to grow, and we rely on plants for food and oxygen. Through the process of photosynthesis, plants convert sunlight into chemical energy, producing oxygen as a byproduct. This oxygen is what we and other animals breathe. The Sun is so large that you could fit over 1 million Earths inside it. Its diameter is about 109 times that of Earth, making it the largest object in our solar system by far. It's also incredibly hot, with a surface temperature of about 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit. However, the core of the Sun is even hotter, reaching temperatures of around 27 million degrees Fahrenheit. That's hotter than any oven on Earth. In fact, the heat from the Sun is so intense that it can cause severe damage to anything that gets too close. The Sun's gravity is what keeps all the planets in our solar system orbiting around it. This gravitational pull ensures that the planets, including Earth, stay in their respective orbits, creating a stable environment for life to thrive. In addition to its natural benefits, humans have harnessed the Sun's energy through technology. Solar panels convert sunlight into electricity, providing a renewable and clean source of energy. This helps reduce our reliance on fossil fuels and mitigates the impact of climate change. The Sun also has a profound impact on our daily lives and well-being. Exposure to sunlight helps our bodies produce vitamin D, which is essential for bone health. It also boosts our mood and can improve mental health. From the moment it rises in the morning to when it sets in the evening, the Sun is a constant presence in our lives. It marks the passage of time and influences our daily routines. The Sun, like all stars, has a life cycle. It is currently in its main sequence phase, but in about 5 billion years, it will expand into a red giant before eventually shedding its outer layers and becoming a white dwarf. This transformation will mark the end of an era for our solar system. Let's begin our planetary tour with Mercury, the smallest planet in our solar system. Mercury is a rocky planet, and it's the closest planet to the Sun. Because it's so close to the Sun, Mercury is incredibly hot, with temperatures reaching over 800 degrees Fahrenheit during the day. Mercury is a speedy little planet, zipping around the Sun faster than any other planet. It completes one orbit around the Sun in just 88 Earth days. That means a year on Mercury is shorter than a year on Earth. Next we come to Venus, often called Earth's sister planet because of its similar size. Venus is covered in thick clouds that trap heat, making it the hottest planet in our solar system. Imagine a planet where the surface temperature is hotter than the hottest oven. That's Venus, with temperatures reaching a scorching 900 degrees Fahrenheit. Venus is also unusual because it rotates in the opposite direction of most planets, meaning the Sun rises in the west and sets in the east. Section 5. Earth, our blue oasis. Now we arrive at our home, planet Earth. From space, Earth looks like a beautiful blue marble. That's because about 70% of Earth's surface is covered in water, which is essential for life as we know it. Earth is the only planet in our solar system known to support life. It has a perfect combination of factors that make life possible, including a breathable atmosphere, liquid water, and a suitable temperature range. Section 6. Mars, the red planet. Our next stop is Mars, often called the red planet because of its rusty red surface. This reddish hue comes from iron oxide, which is basically rust, present in the Martian soil. Scientists believe that Mars may have once been much warmer and wetter than it is today, perhaps even with oceans and rivers. Today, Mars is a cold, dry planet, but it remains a source of fascination for scientists searching for signs of past or present life beyond Earth. Section 7. Jupiter, the giant king. Prepare to be amazed as we approach Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system. Jupiter is so big that you could fit all the other planets inside it. It's a gas giant, which means it doesn't have a solid surface like Earth. Jupiter is known for its Great Red Spot, a giant storm that has been raging for centuries. This storm is so large that you could fit 3 Earths inside it. Section 8. Saturn, the ringed wonder. Get ready to be dazzled by Saturn, famous for its stunning rings. Saturn's rings are made up of countless particles of ice and rock, ranging in size from tiny grains to enormous boulders. These rings are not solid, but rather a collection of these particles, all orbiting Saturn together. While Saturn is not the only planet with rings, its rings are the largest and most spectacular in our solar system. Section 9. Beyond the familiar. As we journey beyond Saturn, we encounter the ice giants Uranus and Neptune. These two planets, often overlooked in the grand tapestry of our solar system, hold many secrets waiting to be uncovered. Their vast distances from the Sun make them some of the coldest places in our celestial neighborhood. These distant planets are cold and shrouded in icy clouds. The temperatures here plummet to extremes, creating a harsh and unforgiving environment. The icy clouds that envelop these planets are composed of water, ammonia, and methane, giving them a bluish hue that is both mesmerizing and mysterious. Uranus is tilted on its side, making it unique in our solar system. This unusual tilt, likely caused by a massive collision with another celestial body, results in extreme seasonal variations. Each pole gets around 42 years of continuous sunlight, followed by 42 years of darkness. Neptune is known for its strong winds, the fastest in the solar system. These winds can reach speeds of up to 1,200 miles per hour, creating massive storms that can last for years. The most famous of these storms is the Great Dark Spot, a tempest comparable to Jupiter's Great Red Spot. Our solar system isn't just about planets and the Sun, it's also teeming with other objects like moons, asteroids, and comets. These celestial bodies add to the richness and diversity of our cosmic neighborhood, each with its own unique characteristics and stories to tell. Moons are natural satellites that orbit planets. They come in various sizes and compositions, from the volcanic activity of Jupiter's moon Io to the icy surface of Saturn's moon Enceladus, which is believed to harbor a subsurface ocean. Asteroids are rocky bodies that orbit the Sun, mainly found in a region called the asteroid belt. This belt, located between Mars and Jupiter, contains millions of these rocky remnants from the early solar system, offering clues about its formation and evolution. Comets are icy bodies that release gas and dust as they approach the Sun, creating spectacular tails. These tails can stretch for millions of miles, glowing brightly as they reflect sunlight. Comets are often considered time capsules, preserving ancient material from the early solar system. Exploring our solar system helps us understand our place in the universe and unravel the mysteries of the cosmos. Each discovery, whether it's a new moon, an asteroid, or a distant planet, brings us one step closer to comprehending the vast and intricate tapestry of space. The journey beyond the familiar not only expands our knowledge but also ignites our imagination, inspiring future generations to continue the quest for understanding.